Man, thank goodness I'm not a career politician. I'm not a member of any political party because the politicians are dropping out like flies. The latest Ekurhuleni Municipality senior editor Mpho Mufule has been assassinated. I know many people complain about the security that the politicians get. I mean, some security costs up to 10 million rands a year. You complain about the blue lights, but this is dire, guys. Check this out. This is only the past 6 months. These politicians have already passed away. Andile Machaya, internal auditor for the National Transport Department. She was unalived in Pietermaritzburg hotel room while investigating corruption. Moses Chake, head auditor at the Free State Agricultural Department, passed away from severe injuries sustained in a hijacking considered to be related to his work. Babita Dukaran, okay, this one is an old one. I'm sure you know about her. She was acting CFO at the Gauteng Health. She was gunned down 12 times outside her home in Johannesburg, both an auditor and whistleblower. Politicians, especially the ones that are not corrupt, who are doing the good work, they must be very careful. If you know you're a politician and you're doing your job, you're actually investigating people that are corrupt, you need a lot of security. You need to be careful. It's not safe out here.